Tired of wasting water, dragging hoses around, and still ending up with swirl marks? Well, today, we're diving into a detailing game changer. The best waterless car wash kits you can buy right now. I've dug through real user reviews, detailing forums, pro detailer recommendations, and hours of research to break down the top 5 waterless systems that actually deliver what they promise. Not just hype, not just fancy packaging, but real-world performance, real protection, and real value. And trust me, some of these products perform way above their price point, and some bring serious ceramic tech to the table. So let's jump in and see which one truly deserves a spot in your detailing routine. Ecoshine is the kit you buy when you clean a lot of cars and don't want to drain your wallet doing it. The concentrate to yield ratio is insane, over 100 cars per bottle, and the formula has a surprisingly slick feel for something this economical. The big win here is convenience. No hose, no bucket, no mess, and no special setup. The included pump sprayer lays product down evenly without turning your wrist into mush on light to medium dirt. Ecoshine performs exactly like a pro waterless wash should. It lifts dirt, glides clean, and leaves a waxy gloss that punches way above its price point. Now we're talking premium waterless tech. Ethos Defy is one of those products that makes you raise an eyebrow because of how slick it feels straight out of the bottle. Their Instabond polymer system doesn't feel like marketing hype. It actually flashes into this glossy, low-friction ceramic skin instantly. Defy is the kit you reach for when you want a true clean, gloss, and ceramic protection 3-in-1. On cars with existing coatings, it restores the hydrophobic pop instantly. On uncoated cars, it adds legit shine and protection that you can feel with your fingertips. The most impressive part? No streaking. I tested it under garage LEDs and direct sun. Zero ghosting, zero smears. And as a waterless wash, it has the lubrication you want to avoid micro-marring. This is the closest thing to a professional detail in a spray bottle. Rubbit is the first kit here that feels like an actual system rather than just a bottle of product. The electric sprayer alone changes the whole workflow. Instead of constant trigger pulling, you get controlled, even foaming with zero hand fatigue. Their Foam 2.0 formula is pH neutral and surprisingly effective at loosening light grime. It doesn't have the crazy ceramic protection of Ethos, but it's extremely safe and easy to work with. And the fact that you get 6 microfiber towels and everything packs neatly into the trunk makes this super practical for apartment or condo living. I love this kit for people who want a modern, almost touchless feel experience without buying expensive detailing gear. It's not the strongest protection in this group, but for quick maintenance washes, it absolutely holds its own. VPD brings a hybrid approach: a foam sprayer, a wash and wax, a waterless detailer, microfiber towels, and wash mitts. It's like they took a beginner detailer kit and merged it with a waterless system. The standout is the Quick Detailer Waterless Wash. Super hydrophobic, streak-free, and adds noticeable slickness. The wash and wax adds richness and depth thanks to emulsified carnauba, which actually shows on darker paint. The microfiber mitts and coral fleece towels are excellent quality for the price. This kit shines if you like having multiple wash styles. "3D is one of those OG brands that has earned the trust of professional detailers for decades, and their waterless wash stays true to that reputation. The formula is simple, lubricated, safe, and effective. Exactly what you want for a scratch-free wipe down. It's not flashy, it's not full of ceramic polymers, and it doesn't come with fancy sprayers. But it works every single time and leaves the surface cleaner and glossier than you'd expect for such a straightforward product. And yes, the scent is ridiculously good.